Adash presents an instrument for the control of the lubrication process. The A4910 Lubri. Everybody knows that the lubrication of bearings is a major issue to keep the machine running and to extend the lifetime of the bearing. Are you sure that your bearings are lubricated under optimal level? If you want to take care of your machine, you have to be sure that the bearings are not under-lubricated or even over-lubricated. Check these two major points with our simple monitoring tool, the A4910 Lubri. Connect the greasing gun with the greasing point and place the acceleration sensor on the bearing house. Check the acceleration value while you're greasing. Vibration value will start to decrease if the grease reaches the bearing. Once the acceleration value is not decreasing anymore, you can be sure that your bearing is greased well. For more information, visit www.adash.com.